How to use ChatGPT without your phone number. Now without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, let's move into any web browser. In the search bar, search for chat.openai.com. It will take you to this page. Now first of all, you need to make sure you have created your ChatGPT account. But if you don't know how to create your ChatGPT account, you can watch my previous video. Once you have created your account, tap on login. It will lead you to the page where you'll be able to log into your ChatGPT account. As we're looking forward on how to use ChatGPT without your phone number, here you'll get to see the option of continue with Google. Tap on it. Choose the Google account associated with your ChatGPT account. Tap on it. Now tap on next and then tap on done. There you go, you have successfully been logged into your ChatGPT account without your phone number. You can ask any question to the ChatGPT and it will create an accurate content for you. So this is it for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to use ChatGPT without your phone number. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.